few minutes ago, I read about some K-pop festival in Times Square, New York City. Is a good example for the public relationship for the Korean food all around the world because Times Square is a very busy area. A lot of sightseeing from the foreign country, and also the attendant, the people there, they try to wear the Korean dress and DIY by themselves to make some roll, the seafood roll by themselves, and then try to taste, and then they lift up their finger, the number one Korean food, number one, just like that. Also, there is a very famous chef. His name is Heffernan, Kerry Heffernan. Also attended the festival and to show up and for the collaboration of Korean food to the public. It's kind of seemed to me he's the superstar in New York City as kind of number one chef, and through the event, the Korean food is not only for Korean American in New York City, and also this is a good and good health appetite for every kind of ethnic people. They taste and enjoy, and it just seemed to me, I don't know too much about food, but a lot of seafood involved, and then there are a lot of kind of the rice involved, gonna be effect on diet to the eaters, the health, just like that. So the kind of health food, and seemed to me this K-food festival is a kind of good PR public relation to the people from all around the world to sightseeing, and so there are a lot of synergy effect from this event. I think nowadays there's a Professor So from Korea. He put some big sign advertisement near the Times Square, especially regarding about Dog Island. Dokdo belong to the Korea, and not Japanese seashore or whatever, and so the only thing is I'm little bit I think I would expect too much about this event, but the only thing is I think I'm not sure we have to adapt Dokdo issue together, put some sign, Dokdo belong to the Korea, not Japan. And then that means in our old maxim, one throw the stone, and we're gonna get the two bird, just like in Korean 속담, 일석이조, we show them the Korean food, and as well as Dokdo is belong to the Korea, belong to the Korea. No more political show from the Japan, it's a kind of seem to me not smart way to discuss about Dokdo from Japan. So I think the event was successful, very successful, to feel a lot of sightseeing. People felt the great taste, and also the imagination about Korean people and Korean independent shape and that kind of stuff, and so I think it was a good idea to take place in Times Square by the some elected government agency from Korea. Also, there are a lot of hardship to came from the Korea for this event, but I think they got a good result from this event. I think so. And God bless you, and everything is okay with you by the God's word, and good luck in future. And also a lot of step from the local New York area, especially the owner of a restaurant and some businessmen. Also, we should thank you for their volunteer serving this event. Thank you, and God bless you.